Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is present perfect continuous. We will discuss all the features of present perfect tense. So let's start. It is used for an action which begins at some time in the past and is still continuing. Like he has been sleeping for 5 hours. Mean it is started in past but it is still continue in the present moment. This tense is also used for an action that is already finished. The structure of present perfect continuous tense in English: subject plus have been or has been plus verbing plus since or for plus time or date. Examples are: I have been sleeping since morning. She has been cooking for 2 hours. اردو میں پہچان. اردو میں پہچان رہا ہے، رہی ہے، رہے ہیں کے علاوہ کام کے شروع ہونے کا وقت یا عرصے کا ذکر بھی ضروری ہوتا ہے. انگریزی میں اس کا ورب بنانے کے لیے فرسٹ فارم آف دا ورب کے آخر میں ING کا اضافہ کیا جاتا ہے. مقررہ وقت یا خاص وقت جیسے صبح سے 6 اپریل سے سن 1973 سے کے لیے سنس استعمال ہوتا ہے، اور مقررہ مدت کے لیے 1 گھنٹے سے 6 دنوں سے 3 مہینوں سے 11 سالوں سے کے لیے فار استعمال ہوتا ہے. نیگیٹو سینٹینسز بنانے کے لیے ناٹ ہمیشہ ہیز یا ہیو کے بعد لگایا جاتا ہے. انٹروگیٹو بنانے کے لیے ہمیشہ ہیز یا ہیو کو جملے سے پہلے لگایا جاتا ہے. He has not been swimming in the river for an hour. Have you been helping these women for many months? Has Akbar been running in this garden since morning? These boys have not been playing cricket since 10 o'clock. یہ یاد رکھے کہ خاص وقت اور خاص تاریخ کے لیے since استعمال ہوتا ہے. How to use have been and has been. So let's start. Have been is only used with I, we, you, they and plural noun. I have been walking for 2 hours. We have been singing since evening. They have been playing football since morning. People have been living in this city for 3 hours. Has been is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. She has been walking for 2 hours. He has been singing since morning. It has been raining since evening. Ahmed has been living in this house since 2007. Conversion into negative sentences. Not is added between has, have and been. We have been working since evening. We have not been working since evening. Ahmed has been living in that house for 6 years. Ahmed has not been living in that house for 6 years. Conversion into interrogative sentences. Have, has is added in the start of sentence. I have been working since evening. Have I been working since evening? She has been playing football for 2 hours. Has she been playing football for 2 hours? Ahmed has been living in this house since 2007. Has Ahmed been living in this house since 2007? I hope you will learn this lecture. Allah Hafiz.